So we found our whitebait fritter and we found a beautiful place to eat it fine. So here it is. Let's do the reveal, Mike.
That is whitebait. When it's caught, they're translucent, but it's gone white because it's been cooked. Here it goes. Just slightly fishy omelette, lemony stuff.
There's a stack of whitebait in there. But look at this view. Lovely. Here's my bit of whitebait. So I'm going to eat with my view. It's a very buttery omelette with whitebait in it. That's how I'm describing that.
With the west coast of New Zealand, the sands are black. It's all from volcanic activity.
And it's the only place you can find poisonous things. They actually have poisonous spiders here called the katapo. Hides you in driftwood and stuff. It's just basically a redback. I've never seen one. Never plan to. So we're just leaving the nice spot we had our whitebait fritter at. Where are we heading to now, Mike?
Travelling south now.
Travel it on and see where we end up.
So this is the original road before it was widened.
Oh, the original road to where? To New Plymouth?
Yep. All settlers up there through the valley up through here. They came through that tunnel, Mount Messenger's tunnel, which has now been widened to allow two-way traffic, but originally it was just one-way traffic. And this is the road winding round the outside the hill. We're coming out to see the view down the valley there.
Wow, look at that. Oh, don't get too close to the edge there. Woo! Wow. Yes, I'll step this way a bit. Look at that drop. Woo!
I just imagine this road as the main road down through to New Plymouth and it not being tar sealed.
Well, that's like most roads in New Zealand, isn't it?
Well, it's wet and slippery and you just slide off and fall into oblivion. Look at it, the drop off, the vertical drop down there into the bush.
It's very beautiful though. Wow, look at that car. That's amazing. We saw a sign to a White Cliffs walkway, so we're just going to go take a look at that, see what's there. Maybe a walkway and some white cliffs.
Maybe some white cliffs.
Yeah, we're not sure what to expect. We might just end up getting there and turning around and going back. But that's the fun of it. You just take random roads, see where they end up. Never know what you might find. Doing a little turning around thing because we saw a sign to the beach and we thought, let's go to the beach. What happens, they have a beach sign and you get to this little housing area and there's never any beach. There's just locals that look at you thinking, what are you doing here in your scummy looking van? It's exactly what I said. You come down here and there is no beach. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. It's very blue. Look, oh, this would be a nice place to stop and have some lunch. a maze down there, Mike. Should we go? But it could be really amazing.
Don't you think that man's a bit corny?
Mike thinks he's funny. We're just coming into New Plymouth. It's a city, so we're not really big on cities, so we probably won't spend much time here, maybe just get some stuff. On the west coast, they draw for oil and gas. It's named after Plymouth in England, because that's where the European settlers from Denmark and Cornwall first settled here. So we're just taking a walk out onto the bridge. There's actually a coastal walkway. We've cycled along here before many years ago. So it's just a little walk. Here it is up there. Just taking a drive down to get a better shot at the mountain. We met some guy and he told us to go here, so we're going there. Just driving on this little dirt road. I think we're following instructions. It's quite nice, there's a lake. Giving our things a bit of a test with potholes, bouncies. Still no view of the mountain. So we're just coming up to the place where we think we should be. Oh wow!
Just look at that.
I know. Find somewhere to stay the night. There's a lighthouse down here, Cape Egmont Lighthouse. There's some camping down there. We're going to go have a look. So how is this for a place to camp? Mt Taranaki right behind us. Awesome. And the sun's just about to go down. We're just going to go watch the sunset just over the sea over here. So we're camping at the Cape Egmont Boat Club. It's $10 a night for the van. So that's pretty cheap. And gets a beautiful sunset like this. And there's a lighthouse over there. This is such a really nice spot. You've got the sea on this side. You've got the South Island over there. Over this side, you've got some beautiful farmland.
And a mountain.
And a mountain, which we keep talking about. Just going for a little evening walk. Just out the end of the pier, lighthouse there, boat club, mountain behind it.
Out to the west is the sunset.
So that's it for this episode. We forgot to sign off when we were out watching the sunset, but we're now ready for bed. We're in our bed for our second night in Justin. So until next time, stay safe.
Be happy.
And have fun.